Hey everybody, today I'm just going to do a little unboxing of this little soldering iron I've got. Nothing special, just thought you might want to come along for the ride. If you don't want to come along for the ride, then just click on another video, it's not a problem. Anyway, ordered this off of eBay. I think it was like 30 quid. I'll put a little link in the description. And a photo of obviously which one it was, etc. So we've got tips, paper, a couple of little Ujima flips, some cool drinking straw. Look. Solder wire. This, I'm not, I don't really know much about soldering, guys. I'm still learning. High purity welding resin. Not that you can see anything because there's a crap light in here, but and there you go. So, as I said, soldering iron kit instructions, blah 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 blah. Alright. Yeah, so as you can see, I don't think it looks too bad. Got some sort of temperature gauge on, etc. But yeah, just thought I'd sort of bring you guys along for the ride. Right, so the instructions, as you can see, very minimal. I mean, it doesn't even show me what to do with my straw. I mean, does my straw go in there? How does it? Ah, is that what the nut's for, is it? You see, I don't know, like, you know what I mean? Luckily enough, I'm a little bit mechanically minded, but if this was somebody else, right. I don't know why you've got two as well, if there's only one. Oh, I know why you've got two, you've got a lock in. Duh. So yeah, I presume what they want you to do is put one on, go in, and then lock it with the other one. Fiddly fingers. Come on. Oh my goodness. Half my video is literally getting a thing out of a flipping wrapper. Cool. And there we go. And then my little sponge sits there. That's for cleaning the tip on. Just in case anybody does want to know. Well, I think that's what it's for. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, guys? And then, yeah. So, yeah, let's just plug this in. Make sure that everything works okay. Right, moment of truth. Will my house set on fire? Sweet. Now I have absolutely no instructions with this apart from, yeah, first determine the right temperature, blah 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 blah. Right, okay, cool. Right, well, looks like that's pretty much the basic setup, guys. If you enjoyed the video, or you actually have any sort of input, if you know anything about soldering, you know any good tips, tricks, whatever, link in the comments. But yeah, I mean, I'll put up a video soon of actually testing it out and seeing what happens. So I'll let you know. Fun. Cheers, guys. See you later.